Let me set the record straight from the beginning. This video is not based on guesses, and it's definitely not about luck. Right now on YouTube, there are creators building massive channels using Hulk-style cinematic story videos. No face, no camera, no complex setups. Some of these channels are getting hundreds of thousands to millions of views per upload, and they're earning through YouTube monetization simply by understanding what works. A clear example is Hulk Badmash. That channel launched recently and, with fewer than 10 videos, scaled to over 1.3 million subscribers. No personal brand, no talking head, just a repeatable content format executed correctly. There are other Hulk-based channels following the same pattern: short, emotional, high-retention videos, and they're quietly uploading content that YouTube keeps pushing. This tells us something important. Backhand index pointing right, the demand already exists. Backhand index pointing right, the audience is already watching. Backhand index pointing right, and the growth is driven by structure and strategy, not chance. So this video matters because I'm not here to show you random tools. I'm going to break down the exact system behind these Hulk videos, how they're created, how they're structured, and how they're uploaded in a way that gives them a real chance to scale and monetize. If you follow this process correctly, you're not depending on luck or virality, you're building with intention. So if you're serious about learning how these videos are actually made, like this video, stay till the end, and let's get into the tutorial.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make Hulk AI viral video that is really making wave on YouTube right now. And in this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT to create our storyline, and secondly, we'll be using Google Gemini to create our images, and lastly, we'll use Grok AI to animate our images. The first thing I did was to go to YouTube and search for Hulk viral videos. Then I took a screenshot of it and I uploaded it to ChatGPT. So I'll click on this plus icon here to upload the screenshot of Hulk viral video that I took from YouTube. Once I uploaded the screenshot, then I pasted this prompt. I asked ChatGPT, please create a 60-second viral story featuring Hulk and a monster in a fight. The story should be shocking, emotional, angry, and have a happy ending. So I will come over to this place and I will click on generate and wait for ChatGPT to generate our story. ChatGPT gave us a storyline. You can still make adjustments if you're not okay with what ChatGPT gave you, but I think I'm okay with it. I've read through it and I'm okay with it. So the next thing I did was to instruct ChatGPT. This is what I asked ChatGPT to do. Convert this story into a video by dividing it into 6 to 8 seconds parts. So for this purpose, you must also write a Gemini image prompt and a Grok video prompt for each scene. Before writing the image and the video prompt, you must follow these instructions. So I gave it the instructions that I want to have a consistent character and everything. So guys, I might not really go through to read all the prompts, the instructions, but I will drop this prompt on my comment section. I will pin it on my comment section. If you want it, you can pick it from there. So I will go ahead and click on generate. And guys, ChatGPT gave us exactly what we asked for. It gave us Gemini image prompt. So we'll be using this particular prompt to generate our images on Gemini. Then it gave us Grok AI video prompt. We'll be using this prompt to generate our videos. So the next thing I did was to copy this prompt, the Gemini prompt, then head over to Google Gemini to generate my image. If you don't have Gemini, simply open your browser, you type Google Gemini and it opens. So this is Gemini. I have Gemini AI. I'll click on this create banana image. Then I'll paste my prompt. I'll proceed to generate. Click on this submit button here to generate your image. We'll hold on for a while. And guys, our image is ready. This is not bad at all. We'll proceed to download our image. You will see the download button over there. Click on it and your image will be saved to your device. You head over to ChatGPT again. You copy the second prompt. You go over to Gemini. You paste your prompt. Click on generate. You hold on for a while for your image to generate. And guys, our image is ready. This is not bad at all. We'll still proceed to download the image. click on this download button here to download your image. That was how I was able to generate all my images for the 6 scenes using Google Gemini. It is free. Yes, you can generate it for free. So the next thing to do now is to go to Grok. We're going to use Grok to generate our video. If you still don't have Grok, you can open your browser, type grok.com. It is free too. It brings you to this interface and you click on Imagine. You head over to this particular icon, click on it to upload the image that we generated on Google Gemini. Once you upload your image, you head over to ChatGPT to copy our video prompt. You copy your prompt, head over to Grok A, then we paste our prompts on Grok. You go ahead and click on Generate. So we'll hold on for our video to generate. And guys, our video is ready. Let's play it and see.
I won't let you destroy this place. I won't let you destroy this place.
This is not bad at all. So we'll go ahead and once you click on this download button, your video will be saved to your device. One more example, we'll go back to ChatGPT, we'll copy the second prompt, we'll head over to Grok AI. So we click on this upload button here to upload the second scene. Once we upload the image, we paste the prompts. We come over to this place, click on it to generate our video. Then we'll hold on for the video to generate. Grok doesn't take time to generate video and it is free too. And guys, our video is ready. Let's play it and see.
This land will burn! This land will burn!
This video is not bad at all. So the next thing I did was to download my video and it will be saved to my device. That was how I was able to generate all my video clip using Grok AI. You can still use other platforms to generate your video depending on your choice. You can still use Veo3, Videonu AI. There are other platforms that you can use to animate, but I choose to use Grok AI because it is free. So the next thing I'll be doing is after generating my video clip, we'll head over to edit using CapCut. Once you're on CapCut, click on import to import all your clips. Then you drag your clip to the timeline one after the other. Drag this one down. That's how you will drag all the clips. Once you're done trimming out the empty spaces on the clip, but I didn't add background sound because the video already has a background sound. I don't want this watermark, this Google Gemini watermark on the video. So what I did was to stretch it a bit, then I export the video. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to do that. Like this video, and all the prompts that was used in generating this video will be dropped on the comment section. I will pin it on the comment section. And guys, let's play our final video and see what we have.
I won't let you destroy this place. This land will burn! I fight to protect what remains. This ends now! Rage is gone.